today I am going to state you about a antibiotic medicine that takes on coronavirus or COVID-19. It is recommended by WHO, World Health Organization. Let us see what WHO tells us about this medicine. WHO has issued a conditional recommendation against the use of remdesivir hospitalized patients regardless of disease severity, as there is currently no evidence that remdesivir improves survival and other outcomes in these patients. This recommendation, released on 20th November, is part of a living guideline on clinical care for COVID-19. It was developed by an international guideline development group. Okay guys, let us know more about remdesivir. Now, remdesivir, sold under the brand name Veklury, is a broad spectrum antiviral medication. Biopharmaceutical company Gilead Sciences. It is administered via injection into a vein. During the COVID-19 pandemic, remdesivir was approved or authorized for emergency use to treat COVID-19 in around 50 countries. Updated guidelines from the World Health Organization include a conditional recommendation against the use of remdesivir for the treatment of COVID-19. Remdesivir was originally developed to treat hepatitis C, subsequently investigated for Ebola virus disease and Marburg virus infections before being studied as a post-infection treatment for COVID-19. The most common side effect in healthy volunteers is raised blood levels of liver enzymes, a sign of liver problems. The most common side effect in people with COVID-19 is nausea. Side effects may include liver inflammation and an infusion-related reaction with nausea, low blood pressure and sweating. Remdesivir is a product that is intended to allow intracellular delivery of GS 441524 monophosphate and subsequent biotransformation into GS 441524 triphosphate, a ribonucleotide analog inhibitor of viral RNA polymerase. The US Food and Drug Administration considers it to be a first-in-class medication. In November 2020, the World Health Organization, WHO, updated its guidelines on therapeutics for COVID-19 to include a conditional recommendation against the use of remdesivir, triggered by results from the WHO Solidarity Trial. The European Medicines Agency announced that they will evaluate new data to see if a revision to the authorization of remdesivir is needed. In the European Union, remdesivir is indicated for the treatment of coronavirus disease 2019 in adolescents aged 25 years and older with body weight at least 40 kilograms / 88 lb with pneumonia requiring supplemental oxygen. For the treatment of COVID-19 requiring hospitalization. In November 2020, the FDA issued an emergency use authorization for the combination of baricitinib with remdesivir for the treatment of suspected or laboratory confirmed COVID-19 hospitalized people 2 years of age or older requiring supplemental oxygen, invasive mechanical ventilation or extracorporeal membrane oxygenation. Remdesivir has been authorized for emergency use in India, Singapore, approved for use by European Union, the United States and Australia for people with severe symptoms. Remdesivir is the first treatment for COVID-19 to be approved by the US Food and Drug Administration (FDA). The approval by the FDA does not include the entire population that has been authorized to use remdesivir under an emergency use authorization. Okay, now you can find remdesivir injection in India. You can go to indiamart.com and other medicinal site to order for remdesivir.